RenAnSoft invented the 5-letter CNC training courses, which is very helpful for the beginners to learn CNC. So let's start the courses. I open our teaching material. This is our teaching material. And today, we will provide the training for CNC Turning. Our teaching material is general for whole semester. In this video, we will focus on some key points with short time. Let's start the first letter now and take you through the process. During the training period, we only teach the basics and procedures. The purpose of the course is for the trainees to be able to do the manual programming and be familiar with the CNC basics knowledge for turning. The target is to let the trainees have the machining concept and also the machining drawing concept. Just like learning Kung Fu, learners have to respect the teacher and master very much. I know everyone has accumulated much experience in the past, but when we learn, we have to be humble. I would like you to put yourself in the student's position and being open-minded for a better understanding of what the students needs. When we start with introducing the CNC, we start from the traditional machine. This page is talk about the types of machining tools. This is the traditional machines. The most common machine is the horizontal turning machine and the vertical milling machine. We just take it through quickly now. When you are teaching, you could explain in detail for your trainees. Let's talk about the CNC history. In the USA 1952, MIT invented the first NC machine. In the beginning, they used the tap for the code, putting into machine. It's difficult to read. One very common machine is the Phonak PPR 3-in-1 machine for the print and punch machine. Later on, we turn from NC to CNC. NC means numerical control. C means computer. So CNC means computer numerical control. In Taiwan, we invented many machining tools for CNC from 1970s. Normally, we see horizontal turning machine. For the bigger workpiece, using vertical machine, it is about $500,000 US. A horizontal lathe costs about $50,000 and a vertical lathe costs about $500,000. It's about 10 times. CNC lathe can be divided from the tool movement to different types. There are standard type, Swiss type, and bench lathe. If we distinguish between turning and mill turn, the one with the milling cutter is the mill turn machine. The Swiss type is a multi-axis mill turn machine. About the slide way, there's different types. Linear guide way is the type with metal ball running. It is lower friction and fast passed. Box way slide is relatively stable and can bear heavy loads.